Hi everyone, I'm Basil Nilamra, tutor for financial reporting at Kaplan School of Accountancy and Management. In today's video class, let's quickly look into how to account for a sale of service and product. Normally in your ACCA financial reporting examination, the examiner will give you a combined sale of product and service. Then we'll ask you how much revenue should be recognized for service and how much revenue should be recognized for product in the case of combined sale of product. Certain questions they will also ask you what is the deferred income and how you have to show this deferred income and how will you classify this deferred income into current liability and non-current liability. We are going to learn all those things in today's class. So first thing, in case of sale of product, recognize the sale of product in SOPL in the year of sale itself. Now with respect to sale of service, you can recognize only current year's income in SOPL. The question will state that you have sold a product along with 3 years service along with 4 years maintenance contract, such thing. So they're saying you're selling a product. When you sell a product, that product sale, that selling price, you can directly show in your SOPL as an income because it's a sale of product and sale of product can be shown as an income in SOPL in the year of sale. But when you sell a product, they will say that you have sold a 3 year maintenance contract as well, or a 3 year service agreement as well, where you will receive amount. You're going to receive the entire amount of 3 year service agreement, entire income of 3 years in the year of sale of product itself. But in profit and loss account, you can only show this year's income. So any service income, only current year's income should be recognized in SOPL. Balance, if any, show as deferred income. And this deferred income should be split into current and non-current liability. And current liability, if you have attended my classes on Accounting Standard 12 Government Grant, which is available in this YouTube channel, we have already learned that concept. In IAS 12 government grant, we have already discussed what is deferred income and how you have to classify deferred income to current liability and non-current liability. The same concept is applicable here. Current liability means income that will be recognized in the next year, and balance will be shown as a non-current liability. Now, to understand this, we need to do a problem. If you have been watching my classes in YouTube channel, you will know that I teach you a concept, and immediately after teaching you that particular concept, we look at a past ACCA financial reporting question paper. So after learning about this combined sale of product and service, we'll practice a past financial reporting question paper. So combined sale of product and service, there are 3 steps to find out the answer. So step number 1, consider the amount separately. That is, how much is the selling price of the product? How much is the selling price of the service? And if you add both, what is the total amount? Now, once you have find the total amount of separate product and service, find the proportionate or calculate the percentage of product and service and apply the above percentage on the combined total of product and service. Let's look into a past ACCA financial reporting question to understand this concept that we just learned. In September 2016, this particular question was asked as a part of section B in financial reporting examination. Question number 27 and question number 28. There were a few more theory questions also related to this particular part. You can refer ACCA website and practice September 2016 question paper to understand what were the direct theory questions that has been asked. I have discussed all those questions in my online classes for financial reporting at Kaplan School of Accountancy and Management. So read the September 2016. And if you have been attending my classes, at least YouTube, in my YouTube channel, if you have been watching my online classes at YouTube channel, you know that I also teach you how to use Scratchpad. So Scratchpad is nothing but your notepad. So let me open the notepad. So in any question, first you read the requirement. The first requirement is above. For each combined contract sold, what is the amount of revenue that mighty IT company should recognize in respect of supply and installation service? As I told you, financial reporting examination will ask you a combined contract. Now, in combined contract, they are providing certain combined services, maybe a product along with service. And they are very specifically asking what is the revenue that you will recognize in respect of supply and installation service in accordance with IFRS 15. Now read the option 700, 800, etc. So now let's start reading the question. Mighty IT company provides hardware, software, and IT services to small business and customers. Mighty IT has developed an accounting software package. The company offers a supply and installation service of 1,000 and a 2-year tech support service for 500. So there are two items, there are two types of revenue that this particular company receives. One, it sells, company offers supply and service, supply and installation service. And what's the price of that service separately, individually, $1,000. Apart from that, it also offers a 2-year tech support service for separately, individually, $500. So the total income from these two items separately is $1,500. Now, step number one is over. Step number one, what was step number one? You identify what is the total revenue from individual items. Now, once you have done that, now step number two, you should calculate the, you should calculate what is the revenue or what is the proportionate of each of those services. So now calculate the percentage. So calculating percentage of supply and installation services. Supply and installation service. So the percentage is that out of total 1,500, supply and installation service account for 1,000 out of 1,500. Now use your calculator to find out the percentage. 1,000 divided by 1,500 in percentage, it is 66.67. Or you can simply say 67%. So I'm just taking 66.67%. Next one, you have to identify what is the percentage of tech support. Percentage of tech support. So total revenue is 1,500. Out of that, tech service represent 500. So 500 out of 1,500 in percentage, it is equal to 33.33%. Now, how much is the combined? It offers a combined goods and service contract that includes this both 4,200. So instead of 1,000 plus 500, 1,500, there's a combo offer. There's a combined offer. You get this for 1,200 both. Now, a question was that in respect of each combined contract sold, that is 1,200. What is the revenue that you must recognize in respect of supply and installation service? Now, what is our percentage? So now first answer is that out of revenue, of combined contract, revenue to be recognized with respect of supply and installation service. Supply and installation service, just showing down here. Supply and installation service, it will be 66.67 percentage of combined contract, that is 1200 into 66.67 percentage. So use your calculator to find out this answer. It is equal to 800. So supply and installation, out of 1200, 800 pertains to supply and installation service, and the balance will pertain to 2-year tech service. How will you find out that? 1200 is your combined multiplied by 33.33 percentage equal to 400. So we have got answer of first part in respect of supply and installation 800, and tech support it is 400 in total. But read the next question. In accordance with IFRS 15, what is the total amount of deferred income that will be reported? Now they're asking what is the total amount. So with respect to tech service, now I told you with respect to tech service, only current year income should be shown in SOPL. So supply installation service, when you install, you can show it in SOPL. So this 800 you can show in SOPL this year itself. But with respect to 2-year tech service, this 400 represent 2 years. So 2-year income you cannot show in current year SOPL. Only current year income should be shown in current year SOPL. So it's 400 pertain to 2 year. So this year it will be 200. So income to be recognized this year with respect to 2-year tech service is 200. And what about the balance 200? Balance 200, you will show it as deferred income. Deferred income in SOFP. It will be shown as a liability 200. Now this should be split into current liability as well as non-current liability. The income that will be recognized in next year will be shown as current liability. So definitely this particular income, there is only one more year. So this deferred income of 200 will be recognized in next year itself. So this deferred income will be shown as a current liability. Now we have learned how to account for combined sale of goods and service or combined sale of 2 goods or 2 service, and how to calculate deferred income and how to show current liability or non-current liability. I hope you have liked this class. If you have liked, please give your likes and comment, as it will encourage me to bring up more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bar so that you will be notified about when I upload my next classes. You can, to know more about my upcoming classes, you can follow me on my Instagram channel, Learn with Basil Nilamra. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day and all the best for your ACCA financial reporting examination.